Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 3520, and in this video I will show you how to make and keep this device working faster. So the first thing that you can do is change the power mode, and to do this, right click the battery icon and select power and sleep settings. Then go to power mode and change the power mode from balanced to best performance. I recommend only doing it for your laptop when it's plugged in, because when your laptop is on battery, it cannot grant you the best performance either way, and this way you will only make your device discharge faster. So the next thing is disabling the startup applications that you don't need. To do that, open the task manager. To open the task manager, right click the taskbar and select task manager, and then go to the startup section. Then sort the applications by the status and see which applications start up when your PC boots up. These applications will have the enabled status. Now, if you see some applications that you don't necessarily need to start up when your PC boots up, then right click one of these applications and click disable. This way you will make your device start up faster and also be more productive when you're using it, since there will be one less application running in the background. For the same reason, you should keep your you should close your unused browser tabs, as even if they are empty. For example, let me open a bunch of empty browser tabs to see how this affects your device's productivity. As you can see right now, with a bunch of opened empty tabs, the web browser is using almost 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory, and if we close some of them, it will significantly increase the device's productivity and reduce the memory usage. We can also see it on the graph if you take a look on the performance section. The memory tab, you can see how memory usage increases when you have a bunch of opened tabs in your browser. And the last thing is keeping your device up to date. To do that, go to Start, Settings, Windows Update, and check from time to time if there are any updates that need installation. You can also check the advanced options, optional updates, and if there are any updates, then install them unless this is an update preview, because they are not necessary. You can also find and download the Dell SupportAssist application and check for updates in this app by pressing Home, then full system scan, and then run the full system scan in order to check for updates and optimize your device's work. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.